साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
मुंबई सपनों की दुनिया। कहते हैं यहाँ हर सपना पूरा होता है। हम भी ऐसा ही एक सपना लेके आए थे, एक ऐसा सपना जो हमें हमारी जिंदगी के सबसे बड़े मुकाम पे पहुंचा देगा, सीए बनने का सपना। और पूरी मुंबई में इस सपने को पूरा करने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही गुरुकुल है, प्रोफेशनल एकेडमी। कभी नहीं भूल पाएंगे हम लोग हमारी जिंदगी के वो 1.5 साल, द अनफॉरगेटेबल जर्नी ऑफ आवर लाइफ, जहां हमें जिंदगी के सबसे अच्छे दोस्त मिले, जहां हमें जिंदगी की सबसे प्यारी खुशियां मिली, जिसने हमें हमारी जिंदगी के सबसे हसीन पल दिए, जिसने हमें सीए बनने का हौसला दिया, जोश दिया, जुनून दिया और हमें इस काबिल बनाया कि हम अपने सपनों को पूरा कर सके। आज भी याद है हमें वो दिन जहां से हमने ये इस खूबसूरत सफर की शुरुआत की थी। हम चारों दोस्त एडमिशन के लिए साथ में गए थे। हमने न जाने क्या क्या सोच कर रखा था। पीए कितनी बड़ी एकेडमी है, वहां की लड़कियां कैसी होगी। सबसे बड़ी बात तो पीए की रिसेप्शनिस्ट तो एकदम कटरीना कैफ होगी यार। बट असल में हुआ कुछ और ही था।
आराम से ऑफिस में आप लोग। मैं हूँ ना, आपको कौन चाहिए? एडमिशन के लिए किससे बात करें? 14 का प्रोस्पेक्टस वहाँ पे पड़ा है, ले लो।
अरे कितना उठाएगा तो? सारे के सारे। अरे सारे यार।
हाँ, फीस भी ज्यादा है। कैश में भी कर सकते हैं क्या? सर्विस टैक्स?
श्रीधर सर बढ़ाने वाला है।
काम करते हैं।
साथ सर।
एडमिशन हुआ। हर बैच की तरह एक और नया बैच स्टार्ट हुआ मई 2012 में। और पहले ही दिन दुर्गेश सर प्रसाद सर को देखा। प्रसाद सर को देखकर लगा ये लुंकी में कौन है यार, क्या ये हमें पढ़ाएंगे? बट कुछ ही महीनों में हमने अकाउंट्स नहीं जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा प्रिंसिपल सीखा, सब्सटेंस ओवर फॉर्म।
अभी आके
पूरा टेंशन बेचारा मेरा पेपर एब्जॉर्ब करता है। इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स आने तक मैं आपको बोला उल्टा प्रेशर करता है, एग्जाम मेरे को ऊपर प्रेशर है। मटेरियल को स्क्रैप होता है। साइज देख के 70% स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी एलिमिनेटेड इन द रेस। इन्वेंटरी ऑफ स्क्रैप, राहुल आंसर करें। It is inventory, it is packing material. Packing material. सिलेंडर में BPCL गैस बेचता है। तुम्हारा घर में सिलेंडर आता है, गैस निकलता है, खाली सिलेंडर उसके पास जाता है, वो स्क्रैप है। इतना अच्छा NPCC है। फंडामेंटली जो ट्रेडिंग एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के डेबिट आप लिख रहे हो, नोट्स नहीं देने वाला आपको लिखना है। ये 16 borrowing कॉस्ट नहीं है, मैं बैठ के आपको नोट्स देगा। पिक अप व्हाटएवर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? यू वांट मी टू गिव यू नोट्स? आई विल किक यू। स्प्रिंट मैच में तुमको बैटिंग करने का है, ये नेट प्रैक्टिस है। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? और घर में आके मत बोलो अरे यार डिविडेंड का एडजस्टमेंट भूल गया, अरे इंटरव्यू डिविडेंड था मैं रीड नहीं किया, भूल गया।
ये समझ में आता है, मतलब तुम्हारा दिमाग बहुत अच्छा है, और तो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं तो मेरा दिमाग से पैसा होगा। सो टेक्स्ट बुक देखोगे तो पता चलेगा, मेरे ऊपर देखोगे तो कुछ नहीं पता चलता। उधर देखो, आज फर्स्ट टाइम अभी अक्कल यूज करके कैलकुलेशन वाला पार्ट पढ़ो। तुमको इतना तो समझ में आता है कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का वेट इज ओनली ड्यू टू मटेरियल कॉस्ट। वर्कर प्रोडक्ट के अंदर जाकर वो थोड़ी बैठेगा। ओके,
फिर शुरुआत हुई हमारे सफर की, एक ऐसा सफर जिसने हमें ऐसी यादें दी जिसे भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। कुछ खट्टी कुछ मीठी यादें।
ताजी करारी उस पे है मौका, फिर काहे की दुनियादारी। म्यूजिक लगाए महफिल जमाए, दुनिया की ऐसी की तैसी, नो जिम्मेदारी। वो क्या छोरा क्या छोरी, से एवरीबॉडी से वो है हम भी तुम भी, तो चलो हो पजामा पार्टी। आओ रे आओ पीपो, भाओ ना खाओ सीसे, चिल्ला के गाओ से दारू पीते जाओ। देखो आओ रे आओ पीपो, भाओ ना खाओ सीसे, चिल्ला के गाओ से दारू पीते जाओ।
और मुंबई के स्टूडेंट्स को अगर किसी ने जल्दी उठाया है तो वो थे यस।
चल जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। उसके लिए अरे यार 5 मिनट अभी नहीं, अरे बाकी है कंसेप्ट चला जाएगा। सर्कस सुनेगा आपको सुनेगा। अरे ऐसा कोई थोड़ी होता है, रुको यार। अरे यार ऐसा कोई ऐसा होता है, ये टाइम है आने का यार। टाइम है कभी अरे हम भी तो कितना बजे का लेक्चर, कितना बजे आपका? 7। ट्रेन नहीं छोड़ते हम लोग। अरे ट्रेन का हमारा क्या संबंध है यार? अरे यार ऐसे क्या है, रुको थोड़ा सर बोलेंगे सबको। अरे छोड़ दो ना प्लीज, छोड़ दो यार, नहीं होएगा आधा घंटे। अरे यार छोड़ दो, नहीं छोड़। हम लोग कैसे निकलेंगे पूरा हम लोग का? अरे पूरा आईडी निकाल दो, आईडी निकाल छोड़ दो ना। ऐसा नहीं, आईडी निकालने के बाद
ये तो थी हमारी यादें। आइए देखते हैं क्या कहना है हमारे प्रोफेसर्स का हमारे बारे में।
Really enjoyed doing this patch. The only reason being I learned so many things from you. I always believe the teacher learns more than the student in any class. I always keep open mind. I never treated any of you as my student. You are just one step below becoming a professional. Therefore, I never, feel so depressed that I should shout at them and keep on reminding them that how they should behave. I always believe that they will be professional one day. And as far as batch goes, it has been very good experience for me. Over the years, I have taught a batch size of 10 students to now I'm taking 15 students. The biggest improvement I have had is with this batch. It's a truth. The kind of questions people have asked, it has made me my day almost every time I come here. And I wish all of you all the best. 2-3 things I want to tell you before I wind up. One is never give up. Everyone has pressure either at home or office or elsewhere. Never give up. Number 2, have focus. Instead of doing multiple courses, do CA. The world is getting integrated with the Indian markets. The market for CA is tremendous. If you understand this truth, you would never deviate from becoming a CA. Number 3, most important, believe in yourself. And that belief makes the difference between a winner and a loser. In the end, the rule prevails. Whatever time we lose in the beginning will be added at the end. This holds truth for your CA career, holds truth in my lecture, holds truth in every part of life. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have to give you some tips for your exam. In exam, what you will do, first of all, you have to give equal time to all the subjects. It doesn't mean you study only OR. बाकी subject भी है वो भी थोड़ा पढ़ लेना. So now you have less time, 2 groups, 8 papers, so you have to work very hard. In exam, it might happen that in few papers, few questions will be beyond your expectation. So please don't lose your patience. You are not only the student who is going to appear in this exam. Okay? उस समय याद रखना आग सबके घर में लगी है. Okay? So and few people तो said कि चलो अब कल से exam देने नहीं आना है. So please remove all negative things. Be cool because 3 hours of your paper will convert your destiny. It will convert your career. So always remember that कुछ भी हो जाए एग्जाम में, you are not supposed to lose your patience. Keep cool yourself and give exam. Obviously you will get the success. So only 4 lines at the end. क्षमा अगर बुझ जाए तो जल सकती है. क्षमा अगर बुझ जाए तो जल सकती है. किश्ती किसी भी तूफान से निकल सकती है. मायूस न हो, इरादे न बदल, तकदीर किसी वक्त भी बदल सकती है. All the best. Do well in exam.
Hi guys. At the very outset, I would like to, take a huge privilege in thanking Deepika, Kaushal, Naveen and Guru because they've taken so much of efforts in getting all these things in place. But at the same time, I would not like to get into a motivational speech which otherwise would have been talked about all other professors. What I would like to talk about is my experience with all of you. The first time experience of teaching law to such a huge population of 1500 at one go was phenomenal. All the doubts that we had, all the ways in which the lectures were conducted, sometimes cancelled, sometimes extended, sometimes without a break, but it was all a part of the game. I believe all of you have learned the required part of law which you were supposed to learn from me and all other subjects at PA in the requisite manner. All are stupendous. You have great potential to become great people in your life rather than just affixing a prefix in front of your name called CA. Try to be a good human being because that is what is going to be counted. Once the lecture reaches 9:30, I don't want to hear that sound called sir. So I don't want all of that to be going on in the classes, but you all have that potential to take it ahead in life from here. You all are a bit mischievous. I could make that out in the second cycle. First cycle, I believe all of you were quite under control, but second cycle, you all have grown up. So it seems that you all have, developed that level of confidence to talk up in class. Okay, certain of the words which I feel I use a lot in classes, that is pakaya to pako and bhagaya to bhago. And not to forget, there can be only 2 possibilities. Either you have completely understood, so you don't have any doubts, or you have not completely understood, so you don't have any doubts. Okay? All the best, do well, God bless you.
Hi guys. My experience with your batch has really been good. I have said the maximum shh to all of you in class, and all of you in return have also done all of those things. It's been really fun teaching all of you. Though I've done a few chapters here and there, it's been a really nice experience. Now my message to you all is very simple. Okay, you'll have to study, you'll have to do this, like a lot of things, but ultimately stay cool, stay calm, be happy. Don't torture yourself just because it's CA. It's just CA, and you can always become a CA. I'm not saying this just because I've become one, but I've just realized that enjoy the process, and once you enjoy the process, when you become a CA, it's going to be really fun. Okay, and one more thing, just trust yourself, trust your intuition, have faith. Okay.
First of all, I would like to thank Prasad sir and Durgesh sir for giving me this opportunity of teaching in Bombay to this vast crowd. I'm very happy about it. It has been one-time experience where I got to teach so many of you all together in a big auditorium, which is a dream come true for any faculty. My first experience with you people, it was very good. About the students, I'm very happy with how they perform. I'm getting the most difficult queries from the students, especially from auditorium batch. And I just wish good luck to all of you. I just hope you all pass out with flying colors and you do really good in your exams. And this time I want 40 ranks from PA in the main term. So you have to really work very hard. You have luck on your side because the exams have got postponed by 20 days. So give it your best. Best of luck. God bless.
I guess तुम्हारा first batch था जो मैंने start किया था. I was the first professor who had come for your batch. बहुत बड़ा batch था. अभी towards the end थोड़ा सा कम लोग आते हैं. Okay, theatre is always very good. You are teaching 1500 kids at one time. अजीब doubt आता है, कोई time पे नहीं आता है. रोज 7 o'clock, 7:15 वगैरह पे will shut down the gates. So लोग रोज मेरे को बाहर गाली तो बहुत सुनता है. वो 100% होएगा. 7:30 भी कई बार हो ही जाता था. But that's all good. That is only just to keep the things in place. Apart from that, किसी को कोई sum solve करने के लिए देगा तो 10 लोग तो रोज वो वॉशरूम जाता है उसी वक्त. Some people come at 9 o'clock also. They will leave at 9:15. Class में क्यों आता है वो पता ही नहीं चला आज तक. But overall, that was a good experience. The students were good and everything that was there in the class. That's always fun to teach 1500 students. Okay, बस अभी मेहनत करो. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया. Rest you all try to take care. Okay, all the best. God bless. Take care. Bye.
I just want to wish you all the best. And from someone like me, I have been quite an average student in life. So if I can do it, I'm sure all of you can do it. And this 3 months time period is a crucial period, and I hope you all put in all your effort. And you have to get a rank. Aim for a rank always, and then you may pass. But always aim for the rank. And I just want you all to not lose hope in this journey. And the other side, once you pass, the other side is very nice, excellent, and you will love your journey by being a chartered accountant. So since you all are in this profession and invested so many years of your life, I want you to hold on to that with integrity and continue the way we have done for you in your life, and wish you all the best.
Hello everyone. So I think today this is the last day, officially a last day. अब पता नहीं completion कितना और बाकी है, but I hopefully that today in that case we all have gathered for the farewell and all. November students, for you it's a bonus farewell, because actually to be very frank, it's for May students that the farewell is there, because this is for the last time that we are seeing them. But because of the fact you always were a party to May students, this entire journey we have spent it together. One thing is there that believe me, in terms of whatever I have been doing it, or we have been doing it in Professional Academy, every lecture for us, we never take it for granted. I still know that when today I'm giving you a speech, I was doing service stack with you all right now. Knowing that service stack I do know, still I ensure that I'm giving my very best in that very lecture. And if I go back and have to study altogether for my next lecture, I will put an extra effort to do that. And this is not only about me, this kind of thing which I got it, the inspiration precisely is drawn from Prasad sir himself. I've seen him all throughout, right from 2002 onwards when I met him for the first time. So it was journey way in past, 2002. It's a very small thing that we all met together, myself, Prasad sir and Ramchandran sir. And hardly there were some 3-4 students, so our association goes to those particular time. And we have seen the build-up, what is there today. And at least with all humility I can say that the effort that we used to put at that point of time, with God's grace, in that very case the success has not gone to our head so far. The same effort to take our lecture, each and every lecture